Hello friends, in this video we will see visibility modes of class. What is visibility mode? Visibility mode is an important feature of inheritance. It is used to know which member of the base class will be acquired by the derived class. The accessibility of the base class by the derived class is controlled by visibility modes. There are three types of visibility modes: private, protected, public. By default, visibility mode of class is private. Though visibility modes and access specifiers look similar, the main difference between them is access specifiers control the accessibility of the members within the class, whereas visibility modes control the access of inherited members within the class. First, private visibility mode. When a base class is inherited with private visibility mode, the public and protected members of the base class become private members of the derived class. This is the example. Base class is inherited with private visibility mode. Here, private member of the base class cannot inherit into the derived class, but protected members and public members will become as a private member of the derived class. For example, this is the class A, which is a base class, and class B is the derived class. Here are three sections: public, protected, private, in which different data members are declared: integer x, integer y, and integer z. When we will derive this class into next level, that is class B with private visibility mode, that time public and protected members will become the private member of class B, and we cannot inherit private section or private members of the class A into the class B. Now we will create object of class B into the main function. While accessing the data members of class A into the class B, see what will happen. X was in public section, that will become as a private member of class B. As a private member, we cannot access that member into the void main or outside the class, so it will give visibility error. Next is a protected member. Protected member is also become the private member into the class B, so it will give visibility error because we are accessing the private member outside the class. And Z was in private section, that cannot inherit into the next level, so it will also give visibility error. Next, protected visibility mode. When a base class is inherited with protected visibility mode, the public and protected members of the base class become protected members of the derived class. Base class is inherited with protected visibility mode. That time we cannot inherit private members. Then protected members and public members of the base class becomes the protected members of the derived class. Same example we will see. Three sections. Class A is the base class and class B is the derived class. Only difference is here we are accessing the class A in a protected visibility mode. Going to the void main, create the object of class B, that is derived class. When we are going to access the variable x that was in public section, which will become a protected member of class B. As a protected member, we cannot access it outside the class, so here visibility error will occur. Now next, y was in protected section, that will become protected member or that will remain protected member in class B. As a protected member, we cannot access that outside the class, so here is visibility error. Z was in private section, that we cannot inherit, so we cannot access it outside the class or using the inherited member also, so this will also give visibility error. Public visibility mode. When a base class is inherited with a public visibility mode, the protected members of the base class will be inherited as a protected members of the derived class, and the public members of the base class will be inherited as a public members of the derived class. Here, base class is inherited with the public visibility mode. First, private members we cannot inherit. Protected member of the base class will become protected member of the derived class, and public member of the base class will become public member of the derived class or will remain public member of the derived class. Example, same example, class A is the base class. There are three sections: public, protected, private, and class B is inherited using public visibility mode. When we will inherit class into public visibility mode, that time public member of class A will remain as a public in class B, protected will remain as a protected, private we cannot inherit. So check in void main, create an object of class B, access the X variable of class A using class B. X was in public section, that is derived as a public, so we can access it easily because it is a public, so no visibility error, you can access it. Y is a was a protected member. Now in class B also it is a protected. As a protected we cannot access it in a next or outside class. So Y is protected, it will remain protected, it will give visibility error. Z was in private section, we cannot inherit, so it will also give visibility error. Thank you.